Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now, after the audio block, the next topic that we are going to discuss is the change to the heading level menu in the headings block. Now, heading block is one of the most commonly used block, and you must be familiar with the fact that you can change the heading levels by just selecting the block, and in the toolbar you will get the menu using which you can select the level of the headings from H1 till H6. Now I am on WordPress 5.8 as of now, on the WordPress 5.8 tab as of now, and let's just select this heading block, and you will see the heading level menu is currently in the horizontal format, and it has this scroll bar at the bottom. Now this makes it look quite clunky in my opinion, and this has changed in WordPress 5.9 where the headings level menu is now vertical. Now it looks much more cleaner, and you now know there exists H5 and H6 as well. So that's one good addition, that's one good change to the headings menu. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.